Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Gifted Precious as always. And guys, it feels like I'm starting to learn this YouTube thing all over again because it's been a hot minute since I picked up my phone to vlog, or I've just really not had the motivation to do anything, to be very honest. Well, I think I'm going to make a separate video on that. But this weekend, today is Thursday, and I'm feeling excited some way because I'll be traveling. I'll be going to London. Yeah, I think this will be my third time in London, right? Yeah, but I didn't vlog all the while I've been in London. I don't think I've ever vlogged. Yeah, so this is going to be my first vlog being in London. So first of all, I'll be going to, it's going to be actually a very long day for me because I'll be going to school first. I have this thing with my classmates. I'll have a quiz and I want to do it with my friends, so we'll be meeting today, this morning, and then my train also is afterwards today. So I'll be going to London today, and basically I just want to chill for this weekend because, man, this girl is stressed. I've really been stressed mentally, physically, everything. Ali, do you get? I've really been stressed. And it's really I was really down for reasons that, not I didn't know what was wrong, but yeah, and I just had to live with it. Sometimes just take some time off. If you need to take time off, take time off. It is very important. Yeah, very important, because I actually needed the break. I was actually mounting so much pressure on myself, to the extent that my flatmate had to notice, and she was like, "You're not giving yourself grace. Let yourself breathe. You're doing enough." Do you understand? So that's it. And to you too, you feel you're doing a lot and you need time to rest, you need time to breathe. Please take some time off. I mean, whatever it is would still be waiting. Yeah, it will wait, but your life matters. Your how do I put it? You matter most, so you should take care of yourself first before any other thing. I think that is really very important. It's really very important. So anyway, I don't want to talk too much. It's going to be, because this is supposed to be a vlog and not a sit down video. I don't know why I'm talking a lot already. I think I have some things saved that I want to do, but anyway, if I get on to doing them, I would show you. If not, I might just be resting through the weekend off the space, because sometimes you need to leave your space. You need to leave that space that you are, so that you can actually breathe in fresh air and better air. Not here, but I don't know if you understand. The fact that I'm already confined to this space is making me feel oh, I need to get out and do something else. Yeah, so that's why I'm actually going away. It's not I even like the journey. It's quite far, but we got to do what we got to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you when I see you. Bye. On my way to the train station. Summer is really summering. It's quite hot. Not so hot anyway. Can't even. Yeah, so I'm already at the train station. I'm waiting for my train. I'm quite early because of my box and all that. My box there. At the train station.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best.
Guys, it's been one hell of a journey. This is one thing I don't like coming from London. So, like, everywhere is underground, train, missing your roads, plenty. Like, I'm tired, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm not sure I want to take on this journey again. Like, no, like, I'm done, to be honest. I can't. I'm actually waiting for the last train to my destination, and yeah, this is what I look like. Exhausted is the word. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2, day 1, active day 1 in London. So I'm going out today and I'm going to take you through the journey. Summer is really summering. I'm going to the train station now and I'll see you when I get there.
Hey girl, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah. Alright.
I just called you up to let you know your man been messing around.
What?
He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you were on it, cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you.
Everybody is summary.
Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good. Anyways, we bout to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on sight. He gon' pay for wasting our time. Yeah, yeah. We cut you in a lie, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time, but you don't know. We know about you, baby, baby. We know about you. No excuse, baby. We got, baby. We know about you, baby, baby. We know about you. No excuse, baby, baby. We got receipts.
Mine was for real? Yeah, girl, I tried to tell you. Man, I tried to tell you. I had a feeling, but I don't know. He had a nerve to slide in the DM, though. We got something for you. He thought he could play us? Right. Oh, yeah, I got something for him. The receipts can be handy, though.
Actually, upstairs is full, so that's why I'm not upstairs. But I am down, like inside. Like it's like an open roof, but it's already occupied, like no seats. Right? Yeah, no seats. So I'm just here. We're moving already. I'm just going to try and vlog bits here. I'm just enjoy the moment. I think there's also a commentary.
Next one's Charing Cross Embankment, Festival Pier, before we go on to Tower and the Royal Borough of Greenwich. You have fully licensed bar on board, should you require a refreshment. Here to our right, over this area, we call it Waterloo. It's not just the London Eye though that people are coming to see. That large building there to your right, look, the impressive building, that was the County Hall. That was once the home of the now defunct GLC, the Greater London Council. Today, it's home to many attractions, including Fiddle. I don't know what that is, but the kids love it, okay? The London Dungeons are here, the London Aquarium's here, many restaurants, places to eat and drink, and in recent years they've added these footpaths. Can you see the people walking across? Well, believe it or not, these are actually built for the Golden Jubilee celebrations. Can you believe you just celebrated the Platinum Jubilee? There you go. Well folks, our next stop's Charing Cross Embankment. We'll talk to you once we leave Festival Pier.
Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know that we both bring some. Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Go through, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear.
So we're off the boat, or I am off the boat, and it was more like a tour around the city, and there was like a tour guide giving commentary as we passed each point. I might not be able to give full clips because but I'm just in a park and trying to get a view. It's just like a chilled day anyway, a chilled day kind of vlog. But whatever I get to doing, I'm going to show you guys, basically. Yeah. It's been good. The only thing is I'm really struggling with network, and it's annoying me. It's really getting on my nerves. But either way, it's like we're going to get this vlog done. We're going to enjoy today. I'm very hungry. I'm trying to get someone to get a full picture of me. But anyway, I'll try. It's not that difficult. I'll get someone to get a picture of me. Fingers crossed. I'm just trying to. It's actually very beautiful here. I think it's more of like old buildings. There's actually a tour guide. Like there are people going in tours, but I'm not sure I want that for now. I just want to, I'm not ready to start learning about buildings, to be very honest. I'm just trying to go get somewhere to eat, and basically. I think I've seen someone I want to get a picture of me. Should be not to ask questions. They had pass like that. You understand?
Taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my high. I can't get enough of you. Baby, it's the love for me. Said that it's the me for you. You know how to make me feel pretty.
Your screen. My phone just fell and the screen guard is gone. Protect your screen. I was about crying already, but thankfully my screen guard is intact. So
there's no need to choose. Nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you.
go get something to eat. I think I've taken pictures already. I actually got tip number 1 for being a solo tourist. if you want people to take pictures of you, offer to take pictures of them, and in turn ask them to take a picture of you. I saw this couple, I don't know if they're a couple, but yeah, I asked them to take a picture of me, and in turn I took a picture of them. Does it make sense? Yes, thank you. Nando's, and I want to eat. I am really very hungry, like very, very hungry. So I'm about to place my order and then just going through the menu. I just finished eating. It was good. I'll be finding my way to my house now. I'm honestly tired, but then I'm seriously tired. But either ways, you know what to do. Please subscribe, like if you've not, and all those things they do. I want to get my ticket. I'm not sure if the ticket I got was like a round trip, so I just want to confirm. Yep. Today seems to be my lucky day. I tried to get the ticket, but apparently the company I came with, they are locked out, so they don't have access to their stuff, and I'm supposed to pay like £4. I don't have cash on me, and then they decided, oh, you can't get on the board, that's fine, you don't have money. So I'm going back without paying the fare, and it's actually good because £4, it's not a lot, but yeah. I'll see you when I go. I'm pretty much tired.
Taking pictures in